Hey guys, welcome back. We are here in the shop. We're getting ready to take the Fiero out. It's snowing outside. It's been snowing for like maybe a few hours now. We're gonna try to do something fun and maybe take out the Fiero, do some burnouts or donuts or something without wrecking the new wheels Matt got. So we're just getting it ready. We put the headlights down. We're putting the hood on it.
Yeah, bled the coolant a little bit more.
Yeah, if you guys remember the last video, we ran our hot a little bit. I think there was a little bit of air pocket in there somewhere.
Yeah.
So we just bled the system, put it up. So I think we're almost ready. Once we throw the hood here, I'll show you guys how much snow there is. Oh yeah, there's a lot more snow down here. So here in Oregon, we don't get a lot of snow where we're at. I think it's been a couple years, maybe a few years since we last had snow. So this should be fun. We'll see you once we get in the car. All right, first order of business, we're taking out the radiators. Woo! It's as cold as it looks. Man. Yeah. Let's see how well this thing does out there. Alright guys, we're heading out. See how good she is in the snow.
No, we're not stuck yet.
No?
Definitely burning out a lot. This thing.
It's a little cold. She's not used to the snow.
Yeah, I'm not used to freaking driving.
She's not good at being in a car.
Yeah, not a great combo with the V8 and the stage 3 or 4 clutch and the carburetor. It's not really tuned up that well. Definitely not for cold. Oh, and the cheap $60 tires.
Are they really 60 a piece?
I think so.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, cheap. Cheapest ones they had in stock.
This thing.
Oh, speed bump.
Yeah, I guess watch out for that, huh? Or those.
Actually, he doesn't have horrible traction.
No, not at all. I'm really surprised, actually. Ready? Going to the old shop, see if we can mess around there. It's Sunday, so they should be closed and we should have enough room to just, you know, mess around a bit. And if not, we'll find something else, somewhere else to go. We're trying to look for something fresh, so it's gonna be hard right now since it's already 2. So I'm sure a lot of it's, you know, ran through. Bueno?
Yep, she's on now.
All right. And we're back at the old shop. See if anybody's out here. Oh, there's Devin. That's sick.
Chaser.
Yeah. Dude, that thing is sick.
It's so fun.
You just get it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, maybe like 2 weeks ago.
Dang. Man.
Yeah, it does a lot better in the snow than I thought it would.
Yeah, we were thinking that with the Fiero too. We were really surprised at how well it did.
Yeah, I think because it's on the borderline of slush and like
Right, yeah.
Right.
There's still
it's
some.
not ice yet.
Is this built?
No, this is stock. So these come single turboed.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, so
What year is this one?
It's a 96. 1JZ
okay.
BBTI.
Okay.
Because, yeah, Edgar's came twin.
Twin,
right?
yeah.
What year is his?
Yeah.
I think Edgar's is older, isn't
Yeah,
it?
his is an older one.
Yeah.
Yeah, his is the gen before this one.
Okay.
The JZX90.
What's this one? The one?
100?
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah,
These
the only
look
thing it
sick.
has is like exhaust and intake. The rest
Really?
stock.
It sounds awesome.
Yeah, it sounds awesome.
I love the wheels too. These
Yeah, the
are
wheels,
sick.
Those they fit the car so damn well.
They do, yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah, that is.
Yeah, just stock
clean.
it out.
Yeah.
Clean. It's nice seeing it not molested.
No
Yeah.
kidding.
The wiring hacked up.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Man, yeah, that looks good.
You guys see a drone? Oh,
Oh, it's right here.
They're not up there. Landing, it's on itself.
I kept hearing something. I wasn't sure what it was. All right, guys, it looks like it's Matt's turn now. So he's grabbing the Fiero.
Yeah, all the weight's in the back.
Right.
Looks like it has plenty of traction. That's
It does. A lot of traction.
Is it a lock diff?
You said it. Yeah, I don't know. It's not an open diff, right? Oh.
That's your problem.
All right, guys. I think that's gonna wrap it up. We're heading back to the shop right now. Probably tuck her in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.
See ya.